Okay, my people, Pidgin News Network don't come again with another story for una where they come from Kano area side. And no surprise, say a lot of buying and a lot of capoting for people live don't go for Kano. As I see what happened today. But good enough, now this sister where I first see, where because of the fear of coronavirus, use her brain very well. Now so she used 3-liter jerrycans, take customize face mask for herself. Even though the thing they transparent and she they see well, she can't hand glove her hand, cover herself very, very well. Inside market, this sister can become celebrity. As everybody they hail her, say sister, you really package yourself well. Inside the same market again, my people, another brother there. I don't know that I go call her Mumu or Mumulity or Mumu lies. Even if Mumu see and say Mumu go say you are not part of our family. We carry hand sanitizer, we supposed sanitize in hand. Take and they wash face, they wash mouth, even they drink the water, they go. This cow and I God go sit down for heaven, go look the two of them. You go tell the sister, say, thou faithful servant, go enter your rest. For the brother, God go say, I don't know whether you be animal for your former life. My people, they say person no get sense for morning, and no go fit get sense for night. This now Pidgin News Network. Now man on the street be this.